Zesty is a beautiful scent. Beautiful, beautiful. Just in a massive haul, which will be coming up soon. It's glitter bug scented. Don't know, am I the only one getting confused by this? I don't know. Hi guys, so for today's video, we're going to be taking a look at Lush's new Tricks collection that they're going to bring out on the 24th of October, I believe. Hang on. Yes, 24th of October, UK and Ireland exclusive. So it isn't available anywhere else, unfortunately, which is a shame. It would be nice if everyone could get it, but the UK and Ireland are getting it. So we're going to go through these products together, have a look, see what they're all about. This range has been a smidge controversial. I think it's mainly the packaging that people are having issues with. Lush did say in their Lush reveals this month that the packaging is fully recyclable at home. So you can recycle it all at home. So this range isn't going to be for everyone, I don't think. But I'm going to go through it anyway. If there's people who do want to purchase these, but they want to know a bit more what they're about, then we can go through it together and have a look what they entail. So it says trick or treat. 24 new exciting products made for mischief makers, from shape-shifting slimes to unexpected colour changing showers. There's a surprise in every item. And then it says the release date. So yeah, there's a lot in this range as well. So there's stuff that I feel like would be great for kids, that kids would love, and adults. So like that said, there's colour changing showers, there's little soaps with like flies in, there's funny little stuff for kids. But then there's also stuff like lip balms, lip glosses and things like that for if you're a bit older but you still want to partake in this fun. But I mean, all of it looks pretty cool anyway, so I'm probably gonna try a few of these items for you guys. So if you do manage to watch the whole video, thank you. Do let me know which ones you'd like me to try. I'm probably not gonna get the expensive ones, but the cheaper ones, if you want me to try them, I'll probably grab 3 or 4 of them, do a video and try them out for you guys. So let me know if there's any you particularly want me to try. If you're new here and you haven't come across my channel before, my name is Charlie. We do a lot of Lush videos around here, and we do some other little ones slipped in as well. It would mean the world to me if you would subscribe. If you like the video, that'd be great. And yeah, thanks for watching. So the first thing we have is the Hot Lips Chili Lipstick. £15 each, and it contains fresh chili infusion. Now, I forgot to say as well, when we went to the event in London, we did get a sneak peek of some of these products, but obviously I couldn't say that at the time, but it's fine now, obviously, because they're out. But yeah, this one, I think Melody tried it on her lips, and it did look nice. It gave the lips like a flush, and I think they plumped slightly. But I wasn't really looking at Melody's lips all that much, but this did look nice. I would want to try this, but I don't have the need for a lip plump as of right now, and I don't want to spend £15 on something I'm not probably going to use all that much, do you know what I mean? But if I was at work still, going out and about a lot more than I am, I would definitely buy that. Next up, we've got the Shape-Shifting Slime Jelly Bomb Powder in green. It's £8 each. This is junk scented, so it's lemon, green mandarin, rosemary and sage. Junk is a really nice scent, I would recommend. So honestly, this one is confusing me slightly. It's either a powder that you add water to and it makes a slime, like a slime you can get in a tub to wash yourself with, or it's because it says jelly bomb, or I'm thinking, is it a slime that you can add into with a bath bomb to make it like a jelly bath? Do you know what I mean? Like the jelly bombs? I'm not too sure on that one. I'm leaning more towards the first one, that it's just a slime that you can add water to and it will make a slime. If so, I would be interested in trying that one because I do love the junk scent and I love a slime. So yeah, that one looks fun. That's in the running, so you can vote for that one if you want to. I'll tell you which ones you can vote for if you want to help me pick some to try out. Next up is the iconic Bubble Bar. This is £6 each. It's zesty scented, so lime, neroli and olibanum. Zesty is a beautiful scent. Beautiful, beautiful. This looks fun. Yeah. This, again, I think this is like something kids would love. Like they'll be like, oh, an eyeball, and it can go in the bath. Like I think they would really enjoy that, especially towards Halloween as well. Like if I was loaded and rich, I'd buy I'd buy these things as like my things you hand out on Halloween, but I'm not rich, so I can't. But yeah, that looks fun. The scent is gorgeous. And yeah, it's just pretty simple. It's a bubble bar, isn't it? I'm guessing these products, I think they're like, from what I remember, they're about this big each. Like, they're not huge, so I'm guessing the bubble bar is like this big. So it's not going to be massive, obviously. I think it's just the fun and the novelty of the product is what is doing the price tag. Yeah, I mean, that one's in the running. If you want to vote for that one, you can. Next up, we've got Waiter. There's a Fly in My Soap mini soap. These are £6 each. This is Milky Bath scented, so patchouli and orange. Yeah, it is what it is. It's just a little soap with a fly inside, I guess. Did used to like stuff like this when I was little, I won't lie. I would just try and use it as quickly as possible so I could get the little plastic, whatever it was in the centre. You could get like ones with like scorpions and stuff and things, couldn't you? And I just was dying to get to the centre. I couldn't wait. But that one's fun. I don't think I would want this one because I'm not a massive fan of the Milky Bath scent. But that looks fun. Again, great for kids. If your kid is not very good at washing their hands, maybe, they don't like washing their hands, maybe try this. They might like it. It's a bit more fun, isn't it? Next up, I do like the look of this one. This is the Shimmy Shimmy lip gloss, £15 each, and it's American cream flavour, so it's your strawberry milkshake scent. I don't think it smells like strawberry milkshake, but a lot of people do. We did get to try this one as well. So this one it's like an edible one, so it tastes good. I didn't try the flavour, but Melody did, and I think she said it tasted pretty good, so that's exciting. Things like this confuse me though, and they're called like, I know because it's like a shimmy lip gloss, that's why, but Shimmy Shimmy, I'd think like shimmy, shimmy, shimmy scent, but I don't know if that would translate well in a flavour, I'm not sure. But then it's American cream flavour. It just confuses me, but that looks really good. I like the look of that one, but I wouldn't get that again because I don't, at the moment, I've just done a massive haul, which will be coming up soon. So I can't spend £15 on a lip gloss, but if I hadn't just done a massive haul, I might have got that one. We won't put that one in the run-in. Next up, we got the 5 o'clock Whistle mouthwash, £6 each, and this is gin and tonic mouthwash tab flavours. So it's menthol, juniper berry, coriander, and lime. Apparently, this is a returning product. I don't remember this personally, but that's exciting. So I'm guessing, like from what that says, they just taste like gin and tonic, which I don't know how I feel about that. I would be intrigued to try that. So that one's in the run-in as well, if you want to vote for that one. The sound of it's just odd, isn't it? Because mouthwash is minty, but I mean, I do like a gin and tonic, so I'd be very excited to try that, I'm not going to lie. Next up, we've got the Taupe on a Rope mini soap, £6 each. This is sultana scented, so bergamot and olibanum. This one is about this big, I think. That does look cute. I don't use soaps all that often anymore. I only tend to use the ones if they come in like the big bath bombs, or if I really like a scent, I'll buy one. But I probably wouldn't buy a soap. But that is cute. Like, it's like soap on a rope, isn't it? Like, I love it. But yeah, we like that one. We've got Raspberry Mini Bubble Wand, £5 each. This is Space Gale scented. So bergamot, grapefruit, and almond. This one is mini. I do remember this one. It is about, I think it's about that big. It is mini, but it's really cute. That one's in the run-in if you want to vote for that one. Next up, we've got Smell of Roses mini soap, and it's a little poo soap, which I think is hilarious because you'd get little poo joke items all the time, wouldn't you, when you'd go in a joke shop. Does anyone remember? I don't know if it was just my town. Is this a brand of shops? Hawkins Bazaar. That was amazing if you have them in your town as well. It was just full of jokes, fun toys. It was really such a good shop. They would have stuff like this in. But that is Amanda Pondo scented. Is it? See, I would think that would be rose jam scented. It says Amanda Pondo on here. So lemon, orange and rose. £6 each. I don't know if I said that. But yeah, so fun. Kids will love that again. Might encourage them to wash their hands if you have a tricky non-washer on your hands. Yeah, I mean, that's in the run-in. If you want to vote for that, we can try poo soap. Then we've got Fresh Pharmacy cleansing wipes. These are £6 each. Dream cream scented, so lavender, chamomile, blue, tea tree and rose. I would be intrigued to try these ones as well, so they are in the running. I don't remember seeing these at the event. We only got showed a few items, but I don't really know. Is it like a little cotton pad looking thing? And you can just peel them off maybe and use them. But that looks cool. I do like the look of that one. Next up, this is so exciting. Flip Your Wig Silver Dry Shampoo. This is defo in the running. £8 each. Contains silver glitter. It's no drought scented, so grapefruit and lime. That sounds gorgeous. I'm just really excited. There is another glittery hair thing in this as well, I think. But I remember months ago, I accidentally got a glittery bath bomb in my hair and it was just beautiful. So I'm really glad that they're bringing some little cute things like that out. So that'll be exciting to try. We'll be interested to see how much glitter there is in there, especially because with a dry shampoo, you do aim it at your roots. I could do with one right now, to be honest. You aim it at your roots. So it would be interesting to see how well it works, because you don't want a really glittery root and then the rest But I think it will work well. I'm excited. Maybe we'll try that one, you guys decide. Next up, we've got Mystic Mud Powdered Face Mask, £9 each. This contains Razulmud and tea tree. So this is a powder, you add water to it and it makes a face mask. Makes a face mask. I think it's a brilliant idea, to be honest with you. Obviously with a lot of the fresh face masks, they only last about a month, so it can be hard to use them all up. If there's a jelly one released, they're a bit better because they last about 3 months, I think, which is handy. But these, I feel like they would last, I feel like they'd have a really good expiry date on them. So you could just have a few knocking around and then whenever you want, you can just have a face mask. I like the idea of these. Would be interesting to see how well they perform. Obviously, because you have to add water to them to see if they're watery or not. Like, I like a thick face mask. So I'm hoping they're not too watery, but we'll see. That one's in the running. Want to vote for that one? Go ahead. Next up, we've got Frankenstein lipstick, £15 each, and this is colour changing from blue to pink and applied. We did get shown this one, and it is just what it says in the tin. It goes on blue, turns to pink. It's nice. It looks fun. It's a little novelty, isn't it? It's cute. I wouldn't get that one because, again, like I said, I've just bought loads of stuff, so I can't be spending £15 on lip products. But it does look fun. If you try it, let me know what it's like. Next up, you've got your Googly eye pads. I think these are really cute. So these are £5 each, and they're obviously just your general Lush jelly eye pads that you can pop on to soothe, cool. Usually you pop them in the fridge, take them out, and they're really quite nice and just soothing on the eyes. They look cute. I mean, if you want me to try those, I can. But yeah, they're quite simple. Simple. Next up, we've got Gloworm Shower Gummy. This is £7 each, and it's the Comforter scented. Bergamot, blackcurrant and cypress. This looks fun. Glowworm, yeah. Yes, it does glow in the dark. That's in the running. That looks fun. So there's a couple more gummies like these coming up. We did get to feel one of them, and they aren't like a shower jelly from what I remember. They're a bit firmer. They do feel like a hard gummy sweet that you would eat. So I'll be interested to see how long they would last. I feel like they would last quite a while. Yeah, that one looks cool. Next up, we've got the Snow Fairy Pop Magic Shower. I do like a shower, I do. And Snow Fairy is a good scent. I do love Snow Fairy. So £6.50 each, obviously Snow Fairy scented. Yeah, that's quite simple, really. It'll be a powder, you add some water to it, and it makes a nice body scrub / wash. Pretty simple, that one. That one's in the running. If you want me to try that, I can. Next up, we've got the Colour Chameleon Magic Shower. This changes colour. This is £7. It's intergalactic scented, so peppermint, cedarwood and grapefruit. This I would be interested to try as well. The colour changing aspect does sound really fun. So the packaging is yellow and blue. So I'd assume it comes out yellow and goes blue. Or green. I don't know. Let's not get into colours. But yeah, that would be fun to try. I can try that one if you want. This one I'm really excited about. I might just get this one anyway, but do let me know if you'd be interested to see it. I think this is one of the fun, really cool ones from the whole line. So this is Glam Rock Gold Hair Glitter, £10 each, and it's glitter bug scented. That's going to be lovely. So that's Neroli Rose and Vanilla. And yeah, like I said months ago, I accidentally got some in my hair and it's just beautiful. So this is like a little rock, obviously Glam Rock, and I'm assuming you just do this all over your hair and it will be glittery. I just think that's going to be so fun, especially with Christmas coming up as well, and the colder months. It's just, I'm loving the idea of that one. I like that one a lot. Next up, we've got another shape-shifting slime, Jelly Bomb Powder. That's a mouthful. This one is Snow Fairy scented. It's pink. It's £8 each. Again, if it is a slime, amazing. I wouldn't mind trying that. I like Snow Fairy scent and I like slime, like I said. But I'm going to need to read the back of these when they actually come out released. Because again, like I said, I can't figure out if that's just meant to be a shower slime or a jelly bomb that you can add to the bath. Like, slime jelly bomb. Oh, I don't know. What do you guys think that means? I don't know. Am I the only one getting confused by this? I don't know. Next up, this one looks cute. Little Squirts Mini Glitter Mist. So £9 each. Snow Fairy scent again. This, I don't know if this is just the glitter mist in a small bottle. If it is, £9, some of it, unless it's really strong like a perfume but small, I don't think it is. I don't know. I don't want to put that one in the run-in because I have a glitter mist over there, a full-size one. But that's cute. I mean, for your handbag maybe. Next up, these look so fun. These are the Glitter Bomb Bright Glitter Crumbles. So from what I've established, I found out last night, oh sorry, these are £15 each and it contains Aurora, Big Bang, Glowworm, Little Sparkler and New Moon Glitter Crumbles. So I think in some of the anchor stores they do sell glitter like shimmer pigments, and we did get shown some and they were really beautiful. And I think it's like makeup. I don't really do much makeup recently. Well, for the last few years. I just don't really bother anymore. I just do my face makeup and my eyebrows and my eyes. But I'm assuming like a pigment for your eyes, or like if you are doing like a Halloween look and you want to jazz up or whatever, I'm assuming that's what they are, which I think is really fun. Like if you're going to a festival or something, which I don't think people will be at this time of year, but if you were going to a festival, they would be so handy because you could literally just be like, oh, I want this colour, boom, you know, and you don't have a whole big bag of pigments. I don't know if I could put those in the run-in or not because I don't think I'd actually use them. No, Charlie, be sensible. I'm not going to put those in because they're £15 and I'm probably going to use them just for a video. So no. And the last few things, this is another one of the gummies. So this is a Bouncing Spider Shower Gummy. This is rose jam scented. So rose, lemon, geranium, £7 each. I feel like that other rose item should have been rose jam scented and perhaps this should have been that scent. Yeah, so like I said, these are a bit more firmer than shower jellies. So I think kids will love these, to be honest. I would be interested to see how they wash and how they perform. That would be the main thing really, wouldn't it? But I feel like because they're so much firmer, I feel like they would last a lot longer than a shower jelly, and shower jellies last ages as well. So these do look good, these little gummies. And then we've got the tree. I'm not going to put the spider in the run-in because I'm going off rose jam a bit recently, so I don't really want anything else rose jam scented. But this one we can put in the run-in. And this is the Tree Hugger Shower Gummy. Again, £7. Never mind the ballistic scent, I really do like that scent. So lime, sweet wild orange and olibanum. And yeah, it's a cute little frog. Not much to say really, but he's in the run-in. We could perhaps try him if you want me to. And lastly, is this lastly? Yes, this is lastly. Sweet Dreams Powdered Face Mask. So another little face mask, £9.50. Beauty Sleep Scented, so it's sleepy combined with Gorgeous, which is orange flower, neroli, myrrh, lavender, tonka and ylang ylang. This sounds nice though. Again, I'd be really interested to see the thickness of them. Oh no, I remember. Zoltan was the one showing us the products. He's so lovely. I think he said you can add more water to make it a thinner one or less water to make it thicker. So you can choose your thickness. I remember now. I don't know why that went out my head earlier. But yeah, I think so. You can choose whether you want a slightly waterier one or a thicker one. Exciting. That's in the run-in. If you want me to try that, I can. Yeah, that's all of the new Tricks line that's coming out, which is exciting. So yeah, if you want to help me pick what to try out, because as soon as it's out, I'll grab some. Let's do 4 things, shall we? So we can pick 4 things. I think that's a good amount, isn't it? So not the ones that I've said I don't want. But any of the ones that I've said, yeah, that's fine. Just help me pick, yeah. But yeah, that's exciting. And I can't wait to try some of them with you guys. I think it's going to be a fun video, that. Like a little jokey try everything out video. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I feel like I'm not really very informative in these. I just go through the products and tell you my opinion on them, but I hope that's okay. I hope you enjoyed it anyway, and I'll probably see you guys at the end of the week with a massive haul. I need to be stopped. But yeah, I love you all so much. I hope you have the best week in the world. Bye.